Okay, let's talk about onboarding. What if it wasn't a chore? What if it was actually a revelation? That's the whole idea behind Node Zero. It just completely throws out all those sign-up forms and the privacy policies we all just click through without reading. And instead, it replaces them with this philosophical experience. It's designed to totally transform how you see your digital self.
So the whole thing kicks off with a question, and it's a question that goes way deeper than just button placement or good UI. It's asking something fundamental. How do you actually introduce someone to an entirely new world, a completely new way of thinking about who they are online?
And the answer? Well, it's definitely not with the cold, impersonal stuff we're all used to. Nope. Instead, Node Zero builds this really powerful, memorable experience. The whole point is to show you a new reality from the second you start.
All right, so how does this actually work? Well, the journey begins before you even think about creating an account. It starts with what they call a different invitation. And believe me, it's designed to feel important right from the get-go. So this is literally the very first thing you see. It's not asking for your email or a password. It's a declaration. It just instantly lays out the problem. Hey, your knowledge is being harvested by systems you don't control. And right away, it positions Node Zero as the place where you finally take it back. Okay, so once you accept that invitation, the next step is, well, you don't create an account. You forge a sovereign identity. The language here is so intentional, so crucial. You're not just another user in a database, you're immediately recognized as an owner. And this whole concept is built on a really stark contrast. Think about it. On one side, you have the old way. Usernames, passwords, or some company owns and controls your data. But on the other side, you've got the Node Zero way. Here, your identity is literally tied to your device, to your biometrics. The bottom line, you and only you own everything. And just to really hammer this point home, the system itself sends you this incredibly powerful message. It's not asking for your credentials, it's flat out rejecting the whole idea of them. I mean, what a statement of trust and empowerment, right?
And then, the process wraps up with this one powerful confirmation. You aren't just logged in. No, you have become the foundational owner of your digital self. You're the boss.
So, your sovereign identity is forged. You're in charge. Now it's time to meet your collaborator. And listen, this isn't just some feature or a tool. It's presented as a true partner, and its name is Max. And the introduction, it doesn't start with some complicated tutorial. It's simple, it's direct.
It's personal. Max immediately establishes its identity and its purpose. It's not here to serve you. It's here to build with you. That word, together, is everything. It sets up this collaborative process of turning your life's experiences into actual, usable intelligence. And this is maybe the most crucial point about Max. It's an interpreter, not a controller. Its whole job is to translate your patterns into knowledge for you. That distinction is absolutely fundamental to building trust in this kind of system. Okay, this next part, this is arguably the most powerful moment in the entire onboarding. This is the big aha moment. It's where the whole philosophy of Node Zero just clicks. So Max starts by posing a question, and it's designed to make you think completely differently about your own life. It asks you to think about all that unseen data, that invisible knowledge your everyday actions are generating all the time. And to make this super concrete, Max starts highlighting the signals you're already putting out there. Your location patterns, your activity, your browsing habits, what you're interested in, even health signals. And all of a sudden, this abstract idea of data becomes incredibly personal. And then, it delivers the core insight, the one line that really changes everything. It completely reframes your relationship with the digital world. See, you were never just a passive consumer. You were always an active creator, an emitter. The only problem, someone else was capturing your signal and making money from it. And to prove this isn't just some abstract philosophical idea, Max immediately shows you the value of capturing your own signal. It gives you a concrete, personal, and genuinely useful piece of information based on your own patterns. And in that one split second, you see the power of what you've just unlocked. All right, so you've just seen the power of your own personal node. Now, for the final phase, the experience zooms way out. It's time to go from you, the individual, to the global network. It reveals that your personal transformation is actually part of something much, much bigger. The system grounds you in this new identity. Simple as that. But then, It immediately tells you, you are not alone.
See, you've just joined this global community. You're now part of a knowledge mesh, which is all about collaboration. You're part of a new economy for creating real value. And you're part of a creation engine for building brand new tools. The potential here is just vast. And the whole experience doesn't end with a congratulations screen. No, it ends with a really provocative question. It hands all the power, all the agency, and the future right back to you. It's the perfect summary of this whole philosophy of empowerment, and it leaves you thinking about this brand new world of possibilities. It leaves you with one question to answer for yourself.